spike at 88.38 is stabilizing, but the power drain remains critical.
Reroute the trays from line 3 to the secondary stacker.
The dermal layer is fully developed.
Remarkable. The nutrient solution is working.
This one shows accelerated development.
Check the neural patterns on the monitor.
It's actually happening. Incredible.
Look, it's starting to crack.
Incredible. The readings are off the charts.
The plumage looks fully dry now.
Yes, the incubator is working perfectly.
The internalization is complete.
It's moving towards the light already.
Such a noisy little one.
Look at him go! He's getting so big!
I think he likes the attention.
He's vigorous, a successful hatch.
You're doing so well, little one. We'll take good care of you.
Rostrum length, 72.5 millimeters.
Noted. The growth curve is accelerating nicely.
Here you go, eat up. Make sure they all get a share. The wing, I'm going in with the micro injector. Got it. The eagle is calm. The pressure gauge is holding steady at 50 psi. We are dispensing the 3rd liter now.
The growth rate this quarter has exceeded projections.
Yes, the new feeding system seems to be working perfectly. The juveniles look very healthy.
Growth analytics show a strong upward trend. Yes, the metrics are promising.
Stabilizing at 20.8 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed, airflow is optimal.
Look at the juvenile on the upper branch.
Got it. Behavior seems normal.
The output from this sector alone is staggering.
And projected to double by next quarter.
Here at the facility, every surface is meticulously cleaned, and our residents enjoy only the purest.
Pressure's holding steady at 50 psi, despite the leak.
Got it. Looks like we need to isolate valve 4 immediately. Check the pressure on gauge 3.
Reading 40 psi, noted.
The telemetry shows a significant uptick in activity around noon.
Band secured, reading number 402.
confirmed. Weight is steady at 4.2 kilograms.
The cellular regeneration is exceeding expectations. The integration of the synthetic helix appears stable.
The scan indicates slightly elevated levels, but overall health is good.
Easy now, big guy. You're all right. Just relax those feet for me.
Weight stabilizing at 45.3 kilograms. Condition good, moving to physical assessment.
Feather count looks complete, no signs of stress
If you
fractures.
first see my video, please subscribe.
Push from the back, steady now. Clear on this side. Almost there, keep it centered.